Hi guys, it's me with Vivon. Okay, so today we're gonna make
a caterpillar,
which with also a plane. It flies really well. Plus, this is a bird.
not really well, it's a really good slingshot.
It's not bad.
I hope you have these ingredients because I don't think most families have toothpicks.
or glue tag. So
Well, they do because they need stuff to fix.
okay, anyways. Alright, let's just go start.
So
Let's first
we
we
need
need A4 paper.
no, like A5 technically because
But,
you just need
yeah.
A4 cut in half.
Because if you want A4, if you have a friend or somebody who wants also this, you can get A4 and make one for them. First,
You have to fold it like this, and then keep on doing that until you're at the end.
so like this, okay, guys? This much.
Yeah, but I'm doing more. So yours doesn't work out like that with so many scrunches.
Yeah, maybe let's do it big like the ones.
Guys, it's okay if you're not perfect. You can always watch this video again because it's always gonna be in the public, not on private. Don't worry.
It's okay, you'll always it's not gonna be for like just one day.
Yeah, it'll be like for like forever.
Sure. Vivon, come on, everybody knows that.
I'm just joking. Everybody knows that.
Okay.
So when you're
So
done,
now we're just gonna create it like this, right, Vivon?
yep. And then what we have to do is fold it in half. I know
Wow.
it's so hard.
I know
But
it's
just
like a steak, but just try and make it. It's easy. You can always go back 10 seconds or 10 forward. You can even go back if you want all the way to the start. It's okay, right, Vivon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
try
keep
this
on
one.
stop, keep saying that.
Yeah, we took like an hour or something.
Yeah,
Right?
to make
Yeah.
this. But now we're confident. That's why we make the video.
So now we're gonna make a bird. So how does a bird flap in like normally in movies?
No, wait, let's not tell them that right now. I think we should put the rubber bands.
Okay.
So guys,
So now
take a small rubber band. You're the right here.
So let's just take a small rubber band
And
like
then
this.
and then keep twist it on like oh yeah. Twist hey stop.
My rubber band.
You tell them I'm gonna switch.
Huh?
You tell them
Okay.
I'm gonna switch.
Okay, you switch. Okay, Vivon's gonna switch. So guys, we have our two rubber bands. These two. Okay. So let's first make our rubber band and let's fold it. Now when we fold it, let's go put our rubber band and Vivon's back.
I'm coming. Just doing that piece.
So now when we're done and just twisting, put it on, another to twist,
Do
and
it
keep
like about
doing-
like keep on doing it until it's like tight enough like this.
Yeah, that is a very good.
So we're gonna wait.
Ow. I have to
That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, okay.
That's burning your finger.
I know.
So see, look. When you have that much,
Now,
get this and pull it down all the way to the rubber band place. Okay?
now let's just fold this like this and make
Okay.
sure we're gonna come it up.
Like this. Like how a bird flies.
Yeah.
So you're wondering where's the face? We are using toothpicks for that.
No, but not right now.
Yeah, I know.
We're using toothpicks for the face. So we have the rubber band.
So get another rubber band and then
But then, shouldn't we just do the flaps?
no, we can't do that first. We need to put the rubber band.
Okay,
So put
anyways, so we first need the rubber band and just keep twisting it.
Yeah.
Very hard. I know it's gonna be hard, guys. It took us an hour to finish this.
Yeah, I know. This was the most complicating. Bro, mine already fell off.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, I know what to do.
Anyways, guys, this is sponsored by Dragon City. It has the new Beast Gamer Dragon, okay? So we have so many dragons to collect, and plus the new Beast Dragon is up. We have lightning on the face and also on the hat. So make sure you download Dragon Cities today.
Yeah, and I finished that piece. Actually, when you just finished talking Dragon City, I finished.
I know, I should talk about the sponsorship now.
Yeah, I know. When you finish, I just put my rubber.
Yeah, anyway,
So-
so you should download that.
I
You
know.
should download Dragon City and you can battle one of us.
Yeah, because
Sure.
he has one double until he reaches mine. Then he might
so
burst.
level 15.
Huh?
Level
Yeah.
15.
No, I'm not on level 15.
I'm on level 14.
I'm way there.
Wow, you're very less than me. Thank you. Okay, anyways,
Just
I need
kidding.
this. I need,
Okay, so then
I need help, okay. Okay. Anyways, let's continue on the face.
hey,
I'm just showing for the how to. So let's scrunch our glue tag into the ball. If you don't have glue tag, you can buy it from Woolworths. But if you're not in Australia, you can also buy it from Walmart.
yeah. For example, America.
Yeah.
Africa or any other place.
I don't know about Africa, but okay. Anyways, here we have our ball. Now let's flatten it up. Let's wait up. Thanks. Let's. This is for display only.
So let's flatten it up like Play-Doh.
Let's flatten it up.
So
very flat.
So when you have this, so open this up with 2 fingers, then try to place the glue tack on the. Oh my god!
But and if yours very low with 2 fingers, maybe just try putting it up like mine. We'll be also doing the wings, so don't worry about it. The main part is just the cannonball.
Yeah, the main part is just the cannonball.
So don't worry about the paper airplane. Cause that we already just done it after we just gonna done the face. Ah! Ow! Ow! It
Look how
hurts,
flat
man.
mine is.
Why would you create it flat as the paper?
Yeah, I know.
The box is already flat as the paper. Do you want to show them?
Yeah. Look,
Oh wow!
it's so flat,
I
right?
know. I'm like, how can you be that flat? So we're gonna do it outwards. Then, after you're done it outwards, doing the glue tag.
Yeah,
Make sure-
outwards also.
No, first outwards, then put it inwards.
How outwards and then
Like maybe up here, up to here. Okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Try-
Now try to put it down.
Can we
like
take
flat.
a little bit more glue tack? Because we need it. Because we need it to reach up to here.
And then you're gonna be okay, guys. I'm just gonna go back. Vivon's gonna teach you how to make it. Let's go.
So guys, we actually need a toothpick, like sharp toothpicks. So see below. Okay, we got this, and then see right below the glue tack. Try to keep a little space, then drill your glue tack through. So drill it through, and then you should take this. Then it should be up to here. Right? And then we are done. But let's just wait for Niall. Are you done? Niall?
Okay, guys, just came back with some more glue tacks and Vivon needs some. Alright, we're continuing to make this.
Bruh.
Oh, already done? Okay.
Yeah. So we just have to toothpick. So we will tell you just to take more glue tack and then try to keep on putting it high. So put it up to here, then start the spread. What? The thing is not coming out.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Where did you go? Oh. You didn't bring your toothpick? Oh.
Armando, you should subscribe to the PokeKid and me, of course.
Well, mine is private. I can't change it.
Okay. Well, just subscribe to yourself and you already have 1 subscriber.
Yeah. Well, that's my parents. They subscribe because my device is connected with it.
Yeah, so I mean you can. So I have about 2 subscribers. Mine is public.
Yeah, so now he has like 76 or something. Because we're just beginners.
Yeah, it's okay. I just only have 30. I want you to smash that subscribe button and also ring the notifications bell. And let us in the comments below, what do you want to find next? And what do you want to make? With me and the creator, you're always on it.
Wow.
I wonder. Okay, guys, so I was thinking, do you want to do something with Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. I want to do something with Azwood. Well, we're really low on subscribers, aren't we?
Yeah, so I think
you should subscribe. Tell your friends, families, even a stranger who you don't know just to subscribe. I don't care. I'm gonna even tell in my whole school, I'm subscribe. Yeah, everybody will be
your
like,
baby's sleeping.
she can't even hear us.
Where is she, by the way?
Lost in the woods.
Now, pam pow.
Let's go.
So we got these.
Wait, it's okay. I just need some. Now we have improved it. Ow. Ouch. Ow. I knew another ow would come. But, Milan, we have forgot one step, haven't we?
What?
The wings.
Oh, yeah. So see, look here. So when you have these.
Actually, 2 more.
What do?
You can combine yours and make a color.
Eh?
You can make a color. You can make yours any way you want. You could make a draw an S on it. You could draw whatever you want on there.
Yeah, so technically.
Ooh.
What?
Nothing. So now technically, let's just bend it. And here.
Wait, let me do that.
Yeah, good. Yeah, we're just gonna bend it like this. And we'll show you how to fly. Okay, so
Guys, I'll be the flyer.
okay, you're gonna be fire, and then I'll be cameraman as well.
Yeah.
So okay.
Which one? Put in the comments section below. Do you like mine or do you like Niles? Wait, show your other one also.
I don't like mine. This one, it's really ugly. I like this one better. Anyways,
Zisu or he? Okay. Put in the comments section below.
and I'll also fix the comment section since.
Bye. Bye. I mean.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna go. Yeah. On to me. All right, come on. Let's go. And let's see how good you grow. All right.
Ready?
Steady.
Go.
Whoa, all the way there, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, now Vivant's gonna show us how many we done.
Huh?
Yeah, show how much I did. All right, here's mine. 3, ready,
landed down there. So technically mine has more gliding power, but
Mine has more landing.
yeah, he has more like
Mine has
more dart attack.
Oh yeah.
So